to installing clamp mechanism onto the machine. You get out one screw hole first. And you can slide the whole mechanism over to the other side, so you can get at the other hole. Now notice, we don't have the extension plate on here. So when you're moving this from one side to the other, this will hit here. Okay? Not to worry at the moment. First get all your clamps on here, and then you'll see what actually happens. Now technically, we would want both clamps to come down simultaneously to both the left and right side. But if you don't have the ability to change the memory switch function, or don't want to do that, you could just put the one clamp attachment on. But I'm going to actually show you how to do that. So you're going to attach both sides, and I'm going to show you how to change the memory switch. Put the other screw on. Put it on. Now you don't have to put the other step on. You can always use the one side if you don't want to change the memory switch to make it a solid clamp. But we're going to do that for this purpose. Okay? So now, you bring the clamp underneath here. That way when it boots up, it doesn't really have to change too much. So we're going to turn the power on the machine. This is the display we have. You're going to hold the memory switch button down. Okay, it's level 1. We're going to go to U80. U81, I'm sorry. And I'm going to change that to 0 for solid clamp. Okay? Exit out, and then I could just exit out here again. And the pattern number we're going to use is pattern number, well, let's take a look and see which pattern it is. I believe it's 5. Okay, we can view that by pressing this little scope here, and yes, that's the number 5. So we're okay. Alright, now we'll hit the ready button, which is down here. Okay? So notice, because we put the arch assembly underneath the arm of the machine already, it didn't have to swing out. Let's look at what happens if we didn't do that. I'm going to turn the power off, and I'm going to move this out to here. Now when I turn the power back on, and I hit the ready button, look at what happens here. The clamp's going to come down, and you can see it just bumped it just a little bit. It still was okay, but if you want to avoid that, start with it underneath here. Now you're ready to start. And because we've changed this to a solid clamp, you only need to step on one of the pedals to cycle the machine. Okay?